Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 5. Our today's topic is Geometry Part 1. In this part, I will solve a competency-based question from our topic of annual term examination. Okay, dear students, now see. Our topic of annual term examination was circle. So I have taken the question from the topic circle. Here the competency based question 1 I will solve today. Here first question is define circle and second question is write down the characteristics of circle. Okay, dear students, now see how can we draw a circle. Okay, dear students, this is a circle. This is a circle. This point is fixed. Suppose this is O. This is the center. Dear students, we can consider a point A here, consider a point B, consider a point C. So we can say ABC is the circle. And the definition of circle, first question. Definition of circle. We have to define circle. What is circle? A closed curve whose points are at equal distance. It means in the curved line ABC, you will get infinite number of points here. Every points are equidistant from this fixed point. So we can say the definition: a closed curve whose points are at closed curve whose points are at equal distance from a fixed point within it is called a circle. The students, now see, match the figure with the definition. A closed curve. This is a closed curve whose points are at equal distance. It means the points of this curved line are equal distance from a fixed point. This is the fixed point within it. It means inside the circle is called circle. This is the circle. Inside the shape, here is a fixed point and all the points on the curved line are equidistant. Okay, dear students, so we can say in the above figure, ABC is a circle and this fixed point O is known as the center of the circle. Okay, dear students, I have done question A. Now I have to solve question B. What is question B? Write down the characteristics of circle. Dear students, I have to write the characteristic of this circle. What is the characteristic? The characteristics of circle is given below. Okay, first one. The students, we can say a circle is a closed curve. A circle is a closed curved line. So we can say a circle is a closed curved line. Now another characteristic 2, that is this fixed point is known as center. So we can say a circle has only one center point. A circle has only one center point. Now third characteristic. The students, now see here the distance of this curved line, it means distance on the points of circumference. This is known as, this curved line is known as circumference. Distance on the circumference means distance of the points of circle are equal from the center. It means that all the points on the circle from the center are equidistant. So you can write all the points on the circle from the center are equidistant. Okay, dear students, I have written 3 characteristics of circle. If you want, you can write more. I'll write another one. Here, dear students, the distance of a point on the circle from the center is known as the radius. And if we take 2 radius, it means this line. This means diameter. So you can say here 2 radius, 1, another one. So 2 radius means 1 diameter. So you can say radius of a circle is half of its diameter. Okay, dear students, if you want, you can write more characteristics of circle. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's question, and do this question as your homework. This is your homework 30. Submit your homework on next Sunday. The students, you know, homework is very important for your annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. So keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.